Hello and welcome back. The next classification is natural versus forced flow. So what is this type of flow is that suppose we have a hot egg. Now this hot egg can be cooled in two ways. One is the natural way, slower way, and another the faster way. For example, if we keep it on the plate and let it cool naturally, so what happens is this is hot, so the cold air around it will get warmer, and warmer air has a warmer gas has lesser density or is less dense than the nearby cold air, so this will rise up and it will empty this space, and the nearby cold air will occupy this space like this. So what will happen? There will be a natural airflow like this. Natural airflow like this. Now since this airflow has been created due to natural effects, this change in density, if this effect is known as buoyancy effect. When this gas flow occurs due to the change in density which happened because of the change in the temperature, the warmer air is less dense and it flows up and the cold air comes towards it, and this flow field created is known as natural flow because this flow field has been created due to natural effects. Now if we want to cool down this egg, by another way is the first way, we may blow over it like this. Suppose a person blows over this egg and obviously it will cool faster. So what happens is this fluid flow has been driven by this blow. So this fluid flow occurs because a person is forcing air over it. So we call this forced flow. So another example for forced flow is, suppose we have a pipe in which liquid is flowing, and suppose we have to increase the pressure of the fluid or take the fluid to some elevation, we use pump. So this flow is driven by some external device, whether it will be by blowing on it or whether it will be using some external device. We call it forced flow because this flow is being forced by some external device. So this is the forced flow. Or we have a plate or some body over which we want to make the air flow faster with the help of fan. So this is also forced flow. So a forced flow is a flow which is driven by some external device, and a natural flow is a flow which occurs naturally due to, say, buoyancy effects, in which difference in temperature causes difference in density, and lighter gas flows up and warmer gas flows down. So this natural current created is an example of natural flow. Thank you.